It's a real privilege and honour to be here today, to be asked to speak at such an event.
Certainly we had a great presentation from James on that, so thank you, James, for your wonderful presentation. I'm excited to be with you, and I'm grateful for the work that we have to do with you and the chance that we have to serve you. So what we really know now is that there's no substitute for having a powerful culture. For each of us to be committed to that, to become a better leader, we can be a light within our organizations to the people around us to really create that culture.